15 secrets to make him realize your worth and worry about losing you. Hey, beautiful! Want to make him realize your worth and worry about losing you? Here are 15 powerful ways to do just that. Let's dive in. 1. Prioritize yourself. Always put yourself first. Your dreams, your peace, they come before anything. 2. Stay busy. Show him you have a full, exciting life, with or without him. 3rd, stop being easily available. Reply a little later. Don't always pick up the phone on the first ring. 4. Look amazing. Take care of yourself, glow up, and watch him notice every second of it. 5. Set strong boundaries. Tell him clearly what you will and won't accept. No compromises. 6. Be mysterious, don't overshare everything. Keep some parts of your life private and intriguing. 7. Have your own opinions. Don't just agree to everything he says. Challenge him intelligently. 8. Show him others. Notice you. Confidence and compliments from others will make him realize you're a prize. 9. Say no. Without guilt. Saying no sometimes shows you have self-respect, and he'll respect you more too. 10th. Stop initiating contact. Let him be the one to text or call first sometimes. Make him chase you. 11. Surprise him with distance. Sometimes being a little distant can make his heart race. 12. Don't tolerate disrespect. The moment he disrespects you, call it out or walk away. 13. Celebrate your life. Publicly, post your wins, your happy moments, your glow-ups. Let him see it all. 14. Stay calm under pressure. When he tries to get reactions out of you, stay calm and unbothered. 15. Always be ready to walk away. The real power? Knowing that you can leave if you're not treated right. Girl, remember, the moment you value yourself, he'll either step up or step out. And either way, you win. Hit the like button if you're ready to level up. And don't forget to subscribe for more girl power tips.